Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is NFP. We are going to be talking about the non-farm payroll today. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and of course, use the comment section to ask questions or give us your own thought process on NFP for today. What are the numbers that we are expecting? Now, based on what we have just said, if you look at what we have right in front of us, the calendar, remember we always use the Forest Factory calendar. I am not affiliated with them, but obviously they have proven, the test of time. I have been using them for a good number of years, right? So today, Friday, May the 3rd, first Friday of May, the news is coming out at 1:30 p.m. UK time and also at 3 p.m. UK time. And you can see we have the non-farm payroll and employment rate services PMI here. So during this period, there is going to be a lot of volatility. Well, there should be a lot of volatility in the market during this period. So as a quick warning, if you don't have any idea with respect to the directional bias, I would advise you to be where? To be on the sidelines. It is best for your own money to be in your own pocket than your own money to be in somebody else's pocket, right? And that is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Now, based on this news that we have coming out, let's have a look at the DXY, the dollar index. Now, yesterday, if you go and watch the previous video analysis that we did for the DXY, Euro USD, and the GBP USD, you notice we said something in the video from yesterday. You guys can go and watch it, where we said we're expecting a change in direction, right? Where we mark these areas here as former resistance, and we had a whole bunch of support over here. So normally you'd have expected that this price coming back here will push higher. But no, what happened? We said what? We said it looks pretty much like price direction is changing, and then this support was not going to hold, and we're expecting a breakout. And voila, the dollar index did what? It did according to what we predicted. It broke out from this area here of support. Now we're expecting it to act as what? To act as resistance. And once price pulled back to this area, yesterday, if you remember, the price will come back to this area or come back to this area. All of these things haven't happened. We said we're expecting a movement like this and then down. The price will come back to this area of resistance or to this area of supply, either of the two. Now, this is what I want you guys to understand. There's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. So price could mess this area up, but it is the close that we should be after. And this is the 4 hours time frame. Pay attention to the close at the end of the day. And because of this, our prediction, our analysis yesterday, where we said that we're expecting the dollar to go down, we're opportune to get we're opportune to get a trade on the GBP USD. And I'm going to show you the GBP USD right now. And that GBP USD is about to hit take profit. I'm going to show you the screenshot I did, first of all, and I'll show you on the chart as well. So this is the screenshot I did. And if you have a look at it very well, you can see nice and clean. Nice and clean. You can see all these levels here that acted as resistance in the past, a whole bunch of resistance. Then what happened? After it broke out here, acted as what? Support, 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 support. And what happened? Support. Now we got our entry over here, and then look at where it is heading to. It is heading to these highs over here. Now, this is a conservative take profit for me. I want to be in and out before the non-farm payroll. As of now, it hasn't hit take profit, but it is presently dancing around here. I'm going to keep an eye on it. If I have to close it manually, I will. But I'm not going to hold this trade going towards the non-farm payroll. It might as well blast off and, more or less give me more profit, but I'm not going to take that chance. I'm going to take what I can get, and then next week come back, and then we do the same thing all over again. So quickly, let's have a look at the chart. Let's quickly cross over to the chart. This is the DXY we just talked about now. So let's look at the GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's have a look at that. And you can see what we have here. This is the 4 hours time frame. Remember we said on the 4 hours time frame that we're expecting these areas here not to hold. You can see here we had this as support, we had this as support, support, and then we had this whole area here that acted as resistance after you broke out and pulled back. Resistance, here was the kind of support, and then here was what? Resistance, resistance. You can see a whole bunch of. Remember yesterday we said also when price keeps on knocking on a particular level, more or less it is about to break out. So I'm expecting price to at least get back to this highs here, and this is the GPUs that was able to get a trade on the 1 hour time frame. You should get to this point here of about 1.25750, and then get my take profit. My take profit is about 4R. That is 4 reward. And then who knows, it might as well push higher. But today, most likely, I am not going to be trading. I'm not going to put my accounts at risk, my money at risk, or the market doing whipsaws or going in the opposite direction based on any trade I probably would take or might take. And then I wouldn't want to have, the issues of slippage and the rest of them. So that is my own stand for today with respect to the non-farm payroll. So I'm just going to manage my trades. I'm going to manage the trade I have open now on the GBP USD, close it in profits because I'm already at break even. I've already tidied up the trade. It's more or less a risk-free trade. And then after that, I'm going to call it what? I'm going to call it today. So as we're rounding up now, in the comment section again, guys, drop your comments, drop your thought process, ask questions if you have any, but drop your analysis, your thought process on today's NFP. Is it going to be bullish? Is it going to be bearish? We showed you from the first time frame, the DXY. Let me just pop and show you that again. We showed you this on the DXY when we said we're waiting for a pullback to this area and then a drop. Let's see how it plays out. This is also an area of interest here as supply. The price could push higher. I really don't know. I hate doing predictions. What I like doing is waiting for price to act, and then I, as a reaction trader, will react after the main action. So with that said, I want to say thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. If this video was helpful or the videos that we have done for you this week, if they have been helpful in any way whatsoever, hit the like button. And share the video with your friends, with other traders out there in your community. And of course, please make use of the comment section. Let's have some engagement. Let's have your own thought process on today's non-farm payroll. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. It has indeed been a good one. Trade safely, please. Use stop loss, not a mental stop loss, but make sure that you have your stop loss on your charts, and then your lot size, your volume should be based on your account balance. So manage your risk appropriately. Thank you, guys. Goodbye for now, and enjoy the weekend. Cheers.